Analyze this, analyze this, analyze this. I'm gonna break the cycle. I'm gonna shake up the system. I'm gonna destroy my ego. I'm gonna close my body now. I think I find another way. There's so much more to go. I guess I'll find another day. It's not my time to go. Every sin I'll have to pay. I've done to work, I've done to pray. I think I'll find another way. It's not my time to go. I'm gonna avoid the cliche. I'm gonna suspend my senses. I'm gonna delay my pleasure.